A startup is deciding between building a monolithic application versus a microservices architecture. Which factor is least important to consider in this decision? Option A, team size and experience. Option B, scalability requirements. Option C, expected cost of infrastructure. Option D, number of programming languages the CEO knows. Which of the following is the most crucial reason for a startup to prioritize test-driven development, TDD, early on? Option A, to impress potential investors. Option B, to ensure code quality and reduce debugging time as the code base grows. Option C, to comply with industry standards. Option D, to make it easier to refactor code written by junior developers. A startup is using agile development. Which of these activities is most important for fostering collaboration and knowledge sharing within the team? Option A, daily stand-up meetings. Option B, individual coding sprints. Option C, documenting all code extensively. Option D, assigning a single expert to each module. When choosing a cloud platform for a startup, which of these is typically the most impactful factor for a resource-constrained startup? Option A, the platform's brand recognition. Option B, the platform's free tier offerings and pricing structure. Option C, the platform's availability zones in Antarctica. Option D, the platform's integration with legacy systems they don't use. A startup is experiencing rapid user growth. Which of these database scaling strategies is generally the most appropriate initial response to handle increased read load? Option A, vertical scaling, upgrading the existing server. Option B, sharding, splitting the database across multiple servers. Option C, read replicas, creating copies of the database for read operations. Option D, switching to a NoSQL. Which of the following version control practices is most effective for a startup with a small team releasing frequently? Option A, merging all code directly into the main branch. Option B, using long-lived feature branches for all development. Option C, using short-lived feature branches and frequent merging. Option D, avoiding branching altogether. A startup wants to implement CI/CD. Which benefit is most directly realized during the continuous integration phase? Option A, automated deployment to production. Option B, automated testing and early detection of integration issues. Option C, automatic infrastructure provisioning. Option D, instant rollback to previous versions. Which of the following is the least effective way to ensure code quality in a fast-paced startup environment? Option A, automated code linting and static analysis. Option B, mandatory code reviews by multiple senior engineers. Option C, writing comprehensive unit tests. Option D, relying solely on manual testing by QA after development. A startup is building a mobile app. They need to choose a cross-platform framework. Which of the following criteria is least relevant to the long-term success of the app? Option A, the framework's performance on the latest flagship devices. Option B, the framework's community support and available libraries. Option C, the framework's ability to access native device features. Option D, the framework's popularity amongst competitors. A startup is pivoting their product. What programming-related practice is most important to minimize the cost and time associated with the pivot? Option A, maintaining extremely detailed documentation. Option B, having a highly modular and loosely coupled code base. Option C, using only the most cutting-edge technologies. Option D, employing a large team of developers.